Like that, ha?
Yeah.
And story. And we look at the story, ha?
Yeah.
Okay. This is the story of the boy who wee in the bed.
No.
No. The boy who wee in the bed.
Yeah.
Disclaimer.
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 Very good. One day, there was a boy who was given by mama his own new bed. Oh. Ah. The mom said, "Hey son, now you are 3 years old, like you. You have your own bed now. And you can sleep on the bed all you want alone." And the boy said, "Yes, mama, I'm a big boy now, like you. A big boy now. So, I can sleep even I'm alone." And the mama and dada was happy. But the boy was still not wearing pants. Oh no, what is pants?
Fun boy.
What's the pants? What is pants?
So fun.
Yeah, you no short pant. The boy has no short pant,
Yeah.
sleeping in the bed.
Yeah.
And then when he sleep in the bed, there is a cold wind, windy.
You.
Yeah, the cold wind hits that. What's this?
Bed.
Yes. What is this?
Your butt.
Yeah, no, this is what is this?
King king.
Yeah, the wind hit the
King king.
and the
Your butt.
yeah. That's why the boy like oh, and we the bed.
Yeah.
And then and the bed dried up,
Yeah.
but smelly. Ew. Smelly. And then the next day, same thing again. Boy without short pants.
Yeah.
And then the wind blew the
Your butt.
no. What is this?
King king
And
your
the
butt.
yeah. And then he again, wee again.
Mm.
And the bed smells even ew.
Yeah.
Ew. When the mom checked the room, something smells bad.
Yeah.
And the mama said, "Oh no, my son, did you wet the bed?" What did the boy answer?
With the bed.
What did the boy answer? "Yes, mama, I wet the bed."
That.
Yeah. Why? Because it's too cold, mama. I know why it's too cold. You did not wear. What did the boy did wear?
The bed and the sofa.
Yeah, that's it. No brief and short pants. That's why you get wee.
Yeah, and windy.
Windy also. You see? That's why the mama said, every time in the evening, when you go to sleep, you go
To the bed. Yeah.
and
The bed.
no, when you go to the bathroom, what will you do?
I will leave it.
Yeah. And then after you wee, you wear
The bed
and
the sofa.
very good. And the next day, the boy did not wee the bed. And disclaimer. Say disclaimer.
Table.
Yeah, disclaimer also.
Mama had chip on
You tell the story to mama. What you learned to the story? Go.
Mama didn't read because Mama had chip on and Dada can make because Dada had no chip on the because Dada will read because no chip on the
Yeah, you go to tell mama what you learned.
Mama, the boy